Hi, I'm here in Spring Branch in the River Crossing subdivision this afternoon at 311 Copper Rim, and I'd like to invite you to take a tour with me of this beautiful home. Come on inside. This home has 3 bedrooms, all en suite with their own bathrooms. As we come in the front door, you've got a dining room, and on the other side, you have a living area, maybe formal living area, or an office. We walk into the living area, more casual family room, and then take a look at this kitchen. The granite is gorgeous. It's a spacious kitchen. Has all the things that you're looking for in a hill country home. You've got a walk-in pantry, an island, and then here we walk outside to a very, very private oasis in the backyard. Fireplace, and a perfect location to have your own grill, barbecue. You've got the retaining wall, and this property goes further back than you can see the end. You've got privacy all around. Even the neighbors next door, their house is so far to the back that their front yard is your side neighbor. Walking back into the 3-bedroom home, and this house is about 2,500 square feet. Here is the master. You've got a large walk-in closet, and the master bath, you have a garden tub as well as a walk-in shower, 2 sinks, and even a little vanity area. The 2 guest bedrooms offer walk-in closets and their own bathroom, as mentioned before. I won't show you both of them, but you kind of get the idea. Walk-in shower in both. And then finally, we have an upstairs bonus room that I'd like to show you. Here we are upstairs. We have 2 closets on either side of the entrance, both with built-in shelving. There's a lot of storage in this house. You have access to the attic with quite a bit of storage here. A half bath here upstairs. This room is kind of an office type area. I believe the owner has used it for arts and crafts. And then here is the gorgeous, gorgeous view from this 2nd-story balcony. Looking back toward San Antonio from the Spring Branch area. From the bottom of the stairs, we have the utility room, and we walk out into a 3-car garage. Look at the epoxy floor. You've got overhead lights and fans, and quite large closets. One against the back wall and one against the sidewall. I really hope you've enjoyed this tour, and if you have any interest in seeing this home at 311 Copper Rim, I hope you'll give me a call or have your agent give me a call, and I would be glad to show you this beautiful home. Thank you.